Control point set, verify chainage.
Benchmark confirmed. Move ahead.
Log soil layers carefully.
Space course looking good, moving to station 12.
Moisture looks higher here.
We just have,
Clear to stake limits.
Old slope at design. Let us work the failing train north, subject over the top of the door. Access ready for trucks. Access ready for trucks. Stage trucks, one by one.
Five feet, 2 inches. Offsets match drawings.
Drain points marked. Depth on target! Woo!
Mike, follow you.
Keep haul cycle tight. Stabilize the edge.
Box is locked in.
Water table dropping.
Full safety table, continue.
Achieve target density.
Swing the steady, full picture.
24 inches. Acceptable here.
Density acceptable here.
Uniform thickness. Second pass complete. Temperature touch. Temperature within range.
Maintain steady speed. Watch the mat edges.
Cooling curve acceptable.
What?
Ready for top lift. Finish texture consistent.
Last pass complete.
Air voids within spec?
Shift barriers safely.
Back to Alpha Angel on reset. Worry, stick to breath. Major response to vehicle site.
Profile matches design.
Maintain shoulder width.
Edges locked in. Scaffold secure. Post plumb.
Foam line straight.
Curing started.
Vamos a range da abstract vai ser as pagos de
Prepare rail install.
20 feet, 30 feet. Spacing confirmed.
Torque to spec.
Marking grid set.
Line width steady. Reflectivity set.
Symbols aligned.
Hold vertical.
Connections tight.
And if orange, we'll get there. Yeah.
Lighting active.
Drain clear. Slope within tolerance.
Secure edges.
Joint sealed.
Repair load test.
Sensors calibrated. Deflection normal.
Test complete.
Weather logged.
Patch flush. Blend complete. Joint sealed well. Look at that flow right there. No ponding. Noise acceptable.
Thermal uniformity good.
Movement allowance. Movement allowance, okay?
Torque verified. Visibility confirmed. Studs clean.
Temporary signs off. All lanes open. Document.
Shoulders clean.
Final wash. Right index good.
IRI within limit.
As built approved. Proszę. No thanks. I know Razelloy. Right, this is rules.
Section accepted. Okay. Plant spacing set. Audit in progress. Radio check complete. All systems nominal.
Touch up done.
Inspectors on site.
Texture on speed policing. That's what he says. One I believe he's the region. You'll sip some.
Work rest is aggressive, so.
All criteria met. All criteria säkert.
Whoa.
Approved.
No open items.
Final pass done.
Road clear.
Markings crisp.
What's that?
Lighting stable.
Flow looks smooth. Slayer, ready to say the running out of fringing down. Man, you guys were not frozen.
So we're the bell right now.
Surface behaving well. Ride quality confirmed. Performance as expected.
May motorcycle radio not.
Thermal balance stable.
Durability phase begins.
Project complete.
Design intent achieved. Load distribution normal.
Drainage effective.
Layers work together.
Durability explained.
Theory meets reality.
Surface integrity high.
Structure stable.
End of works.
Operational phase. Ready for service. Daily use.
The science holds.
Subscribe, like, and share.